Yo. What's good, gang? You know the name. It's Transition representing Gap Tooth Games, and I'm back at y'all with another video. Go ahead and hit that like button for me as you come on in. Drop a comment down in the comment section and let me know how you feel about this video. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't already subscribed, because we going up. You dig? We on our way to that big 1,000 wow. So if you want to ride with the gang before we get there, just hit that subscribe button and don't forget that tap the notification bell. But in the last video I did about Aaron the Plumber, we seen that him and Wack100 were beefing, and Aaron got spooked to the point of Wack making threats about Aaron's mother and children, and him reporting Wack100 to the police. So he came out in a video basically saying Wack100 has a warrant out for his arrest for terroristic threats and a conspiracy to commit murder. So after he went viral with that video, you know the internet had their tizzy and everybody made their videos about it, including me. And we've been waiting for Wack to respond to it. Now, I initially said, I feel like Wack was just, doing what Wack does. That's how he gets his content. A whole bunch of posturing, a whole bunch of bravado. Oh, Paru, when I be you, we gonna get straight to it, nigga. No talking. Straight to it, blood. For real. And then he sees the person and they shaking hands and they friends and they taking pictures and stuff. So that's just how he gets his content off. But I guess Aaron the Plumber got spooked. And when his mother was mentioned, he was like, "They be talking about my mama, man. They be talking about my mama, man." So we're going to tune in to Wack to see what his response was.
Not me.
Your Vlad episode, you made Vlad remove the part in which you and him talked about Aaron the Plumber's paperwork. You made him remove it. It's a weird, awkward thing in the video. Anybody can go check it out. You said that the reason why you removed this from that interview, which I know Vlad was very, very excited about, the reason why you removed it is because you had Aaron the Plumber set up to do a boxing match. Now, Aaron the Plumber is claiming that he snitched on you to the cops and that you are now being charged with a murder conspiracy charge. How did things go wrong between you and the plumber?
I don't know the dude.
And for people who are interested, on the No Jumper Clips channel, I did a quick run through of the paperwork, which was the paperwork that you were planning on releasing of Aaron the Plumber. A lot of people have this paperwork at this point. We got it from people in Stockton. How did things go bad when 2 weeks ago you were excited to do business with this guy with the boxing match?
You didn't think we were setting up business? You think I'm lying?
Oh, I believe that. But from what I could tell, it seems like Aaron the Plumber, things go bad with everybody that he tries to do business with.
But you think I'm lying about it?
That you, at a certain point, were setting up business? No, I believe that you were doing that. But so when he says that he's snitching on you and that he got you hit with a murder charge. Do you have a murder charge?
No, I haven't killed anybody. Okay. So listen, I don't...
Murder conspiracy, you don't have to kill him yourself. I don't know.
You got to remember, right? And some of these situations, you can't really give it your energy, right? Because when you do, you're doing exactly what they want you to do.
Okay.
You get what I'm saying?
You think Aaron the Plumber wants us to talk about him being a snitch? I don't think so, because I've never
talked about him, but that's what y'all talked about.
I think you did it with Vlad, and I think you removed it from the interview. But also, when I read his paperwork on the stream the other day, blocked me.
Who did?
Aaron. We were going back and forth. We were dissing each other on Instagram, on our stories, making reels about each other. This was when I was in Turks. This was 3-4 weeks ago, whatever that was. And then we're DMing, kind of being like, I'm gonna post this shit about you. Oh, you a bitch. Yeah, I'm gonna do this. Like, we're kind of like fucking with each other. Like, it's more friendly behind the scenes than it looked publicly. But then I read the paperwork, boom, he blocks me. So now we know that if you want to hurt Aaron the Plumber's feelings, you got to talk about the snitch shit. Because as much as he's acting like he doesn't care, he cares.
Here's the thing. Here goes the dangerous part of what we're dealing with, right?
It's all a legend.
No, here goes the dangerous part. Let's say I don't know you, right? I don't know you, but I'm looking for some clout.
Right.
So I start trolling you. Trolling, saying a bunch of shit. So we get to the point after a couple days, I'm a troll back. You get on the phone and you start trolling back. Right? You like, okay, you fuck with me, I'm gonna fuck with you. You don't know nothing about this dude. You ain't never even seen this dude in your life, right? Some of these people I'm realizing, let's be real, Adam, they don't have enough life experiences to talk about anything.
Right.
You get what I'm saying? So they need to create it, or they need to.
Big homie CC, Aaron the Plumber, J Main, no disrespect J Main, but they come out, they got a bunch of catchphrases.
Well, I don't know. I think J Main really from where he from.
Oh, he really from where he's from, for
sure. In Chicago, it's a lot to talk about. It's just like, should you talk about it?
Right, but I mean, a lot of these guys, they come out, they've got catchphrases, they've got, their little like pet topics.
And guess what? But
it's hard to keep it going.
I'm always going to be in the top 3 to 5 if you can get him to say something back, right? So some of these dudes, you be like, you know what? I'm going to give him what he want, right? He trolling, I'm going to troll him back, right? I'm seeing what you saying to me. I don't take it serious because I don't know you. You don't know me. I don't know nothing about you. But I see what you doing. Some of these dudes, you do it all the time. You be like, you know what? Dude got a little buzz. Let me get in that part of the algorithm. You get what I'm saying? So you'll pop back at him, knowing that, yeah, he's going to tie into your following, but he has a little following going himself. So it'll balance out.
It's way more attractive to talk about Aaron the Plumber, who can potentially get you 6-figure views, than to talk about some random fucking drill rapper that nobody cares about. Right, yeah.
So it's a little crazy when somebody will pop something at you, tell you some crazy stuff. So, then you watch me like, man, who the hell is this dude? So you see, okay, this dude claimed me this, claimed me that. He's still popping and texting and calling, saying shit. So you're like, all right, well, let me go hit on getting the algorithm. All he's gonna do is go back and talk about it. So you call and you troll the shit out of him. See, trolling is one thing, like with you, Adam, I can honestly say, I know where you be at least one place. You get what I'm saying?
Right here.
Here, right? So if I tell you some crazy shit, it's probably believable. You're like, hold on, Wack, what you talking about? But when you somebody that I'm oblivious to, I don't know, you texting me and calling me out the blind, saying crazy ass shit that I don't take it serious because I don't know you. You don't know me. I don't know nothing about you. So then you pop back at him, and next thing you know, the same dude is trolling you with the crazy aggressive shit says, oh, I'm in fear of my life. And then next thing you know, they're trying to extort you and say, I got these people that's ready to go at whoop for a little bit of change. It could go away. And then the next thing you know, he like, well, set the fight up with Donut, and then maybe we can. And then the next thing you know is, I'm going to call the police on you again. At some point, bro, you got to just let that be what it's going to be.
But why not expose his paperwork before you decide to just cut him off and not continue to give him the clout infusion?
Because here goes the thing. I don't know nothing about this dude. Whatever he had going on in Georgia with Ray J and somebody else had nothing to do with me, right? He ain't, look, when people were saying Aaron the Plumber, I thought they was talking about a real plumber.
He was a plumber.
Bro, I don't know. Listen,
I guess you could say he's still a plumber in a way. He has a plumber's skill set.
Adam, you know this. You say names to me and I be like, bro, I don't know.
That's actually what you say about almost everybody. Yeah, I don't know this dude.
If you not like,
I don't know you.
If you not part of my business or you somebody of a certain level or something, I don't know you.
But why did you leave it in my hands to kill Aaron off? Because he is killed.
No.
KILT.
First of all, I didn't leave shit in your hands the paperwork. Because guess what?
And Swamp Stories was scared too.
Because guess what? I didn't know what you and that dude's issue was.
There's no real issue. We're just like, he want to talk shit about me. All right, we're going to talk shit about you, but we're not going to just talk shit about you. We're going to expose your paperwork.
But hold on. See what you're doing?
Exposers.
No, look, what you're doing.
Do you recognize this?
That's a fact.
This used to mean something to you.
That's just like me, right? That's just like me. Munchie B say a whole bunch of shit about me, right?
I think he's cooled off with that.
No, but I'm saying, that's just like me saying, like Munchie B, all of them, whatever, right? Me saying, oh, the things they saying, I'm in fear of my life.
Right.
Right? One night, Spider and Munchie B at 3 a.m. was, I guess, acting like they was driving around looking for my studio, right? Whether they was or nothing, I took it as a troll. It's good content. I wake up in the morning. Wack, did you see Whoop the Whoop? I listen to it. I respond. We keep moving. These is real gang members, right? I'm not gonna say, oh, dude's a real East Coast Crip. He a real Inglewood family. I'm in fear of my life. Cause you know why? I've said shit about Spider. I've said shit about Munchie B. This just they get back on whatever. So now it's to a point now, we gotta have our own little community or maybe some paperwork in place that says, listen, bro, when you troll, I control. It's trolling. Cause 99% of these people that I have had a back and forth with, I don't know them.
So, as you can see, it looks like I might have been right? Wack was just shooting content, it appears, right? So, I mean, I don't know. I guess everybody doesn't have the same rule of engagement. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of like when you're shooting the dozens with a person, when you just capping and making jokes about a person. For some people, your mama jokes is cool. Some people, you don't know. They might have just lost their mother. Your mama jokes might be a little tender. You know what I'm saying? You might want to stay away from that. Mess around, get punched in the mouth. For some people, it's cool like black folks. Some people, you can make N-word jokes. You know what I'm saying? That's cool. You another race? We all make N-word jokes from time to time. I know you do it in the comfort of your own home. Go ahead. I ain't tripping. But then some people, you get to using that N-word around them, and they're going to rearrange the furniture in your mouth. So I guess it's all about where your level is and how you willing to handle things. But I'll say, I bet Wack gonna move a little more different and how he be responding to some of these guys online. You know what I'm saying? Because once you really start getting the law involved and putting paperwork into people's lives, lawsuit, lawmen, you know what I'm saying? It's not worth it, you dig? And Wack deals with multi-million-dollar contracts. You know, he manages the game, he manages 6ix9ine. He be moving and shaking, so he ain't got time to be dealing with niggas who can't decipher what's content and what's not. So, I don't know, man. Let me know how y'all feel about it down in the comment section. Y'all feel like Aaron the Plumber was acting a little sassy and getting the laws involved? Or do you feel like he was justified? And you know, I don't know this dude, even though we going back and forth and it probably is capping. I still don't know this dude. I don't know what he's capable of. He might send somebody at my mama. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about it. But that's all I got for y'all in this one. Be sure to check me out in the next one. Don't forget to like the video on your way out. Comment down in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel. And until next time, gang. You know the name. It's Transition representing Gap Tooth Gangs. Oh yeah, and don't forget, life isn't about making it from point A to point B. Life is about living in between the gaps. Peace out.
Lane sippers and mean strippers who just all about the green and the means just fast living. And I'm not one to judge, cause I've been off that mud double cup with no fucks when I pass limits. And who gon' like to smoke and get gone off a cone, but it would not get blown unless gas in it. Hold up, we bout to roll up. I got some smoke, keep you up like it's Folgers. Rookies try to hit the cookie, fuck around and throw up. So we drop the hottest pen verse and it blow up. But we got some recognition from a nigga, so what? We be walking down the street, get beats like they know us. Now bitches in the sheets, but the freak on the meat skis, keep real defeat. Hell yeah, make them focus. You know what? I go nuts, but yet I'm steady focused. Probably from the bomb ass, fly with no lotus. I can't even think how many trees we done smoked up. Whatever the number, gonna fuss, you'll need a tow truck. Getting shit across the seas with ease, put a boat up. That's no lie, baby girl, no joking. Shorty said she can't swim, I'm behind the back stroking. Do it for the love of buzz, stuff a blunt, make it swell.